Hey, my name's Nat, and I read in a very unique way. At school, I thought myself stupid. Not only could I not read, I could not retain any information. I never left the bottom sets. It turns out I was not stupid. I was the opposite. I was dyslexic. Dyslexia is like hacking into MI6's computer every time you want to search Google. It can be a right pain in the arse. My spelling skills look like a naughty teenager's text message. This may sound like a negative, but people like Einstein, the father of relativity, F. Scott Fitzgerald, and my personal idol, John Lennon, would disagree. They all had it, you guessed it, dyslexia. Being different may sound like a disadvantage, but I promise you, it's anything but. So, how is dyslexia good? As dyslexic, it is easy to see beyond the obvious. Finding patterns is second nature. What I lacked in spelling, I more than made up for in my creative storytelling. Old Pablo Picasso and Andy Warhol, other dyslexic alumni, depicted their world how they saw it. So, let me explain how I got around any issues of dyslexia. When I'm writing, I use coloured paper because the words look so much clearer. I use audiobooks to keep me focused while I'm reading, or if I'm on my computer, I'll get the speech tool to read it out to me.
I can speak to you.
If I'm taking notes, I'll draw pictures and symbols instead of words. And here's where I get really creative. I make up mnemonics for some words. The word said becomes Superman and I dance because big elephants can't always use small exits. Or could. You are in the middle of a cold. So, if you have dyslexia, do not worry. Just be creative. So you have to read a page twice or 10 times. That's okay. Positives far outweigh the negatives. You need to find out what works for you. Dyslexics, we are trained to find solutions and overcome obstacles. Never give up. Proud of being you. Dyslexic and proud.